Hey guys, it's me again. So I haven't been posting any of my videos lately, and I've just been really lazy. And I pretty much haven't had any time trying to take care of my family because they've been sick the whole time, and then I got sick, and then I was feeling better, and then someone else got sick, and then I got sick again. So just it was bad. Anyways, I'm trying to think of new ideas and everything, and I'm trying to structure it a little bit more. So I have like a little notebook, like see, little notebook. It has about like I don't know five five videos worth of just random stuff that I've come up with for ideas and that I want to share with you guys and interact with you guys a little bit more. And so yeah, I'm gonna do a dictionary word of the day. I'm gonna choose a random word that I'll just flip open, point to it, and I'll read it and I'll explain it the best way that I can. And yeah, but that will just be on like the end of my episode or video, whatever. I'm just trying to get a little bit more focused and better, better quality. So yeah, Um, so yeah, I'll just start out with like the first day of my little video thing. So yeah, here we go. Um, the other day I saw like a butterfly outside while I was going into one of the into the grocery store, and it was like really pretty and everything. And so I'm shopping in there, and later, a couple of minutes later, the same butterfly it is inside the store, and I'm thinking, what the hell? Why would a butterfly go into a grocery store? Does it need freaking flowers to get its nectar or stuff? I have no idea. But it was just the most random thing that I could have seen in like a long time. And I just thought it was really funny. And then another thing, don't you hate it when you like cough and you can't stop coughing and it's just annoying to everyone else, and it comes at the most like awkward times while you're taking a test or while you're learning something and everyone else is quiet, and then you start coughing and you can't stop coughing, and then once you do after like 5 minutes and you come back from the drinking fountain, if your teacher will let you and everything, someone else starts coughing and they're doing the same thing, so then you're pretty much experiencing what that person was experiencing while you were coughing your head off, and now you're seeing the person cough their head off. So, I don't know. Do you think it's funny? Do you think it's annoying? I don't know. I don't know. You just look like a loony when you're coughing, just in general, like non stop. And yeah. Anyways, so like I said, back to the dictionary word of the day. I kind of went ahead. So yeah, the first word, I swear to God, um, it is. It's the most interesting word that I've ever seen. Like, okay, the word is priapism. Now, I know you're thinking, is that a geometric shape or what? It sounds scientific and everything. Well, it's not. It is an abnormal, painful, persistent erection. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. I'm sorry. I just found this so interesting because when I saw it was just so random, and I looked at it and like I just started bursting out laughing. And I'm thinking, who the hell would come up with this word? Like, how would someone just pick this word, put it in the dictionary, And like, would someone just randomly, like, I don't know, but I'm sure it's really painful. I feel sorry for you guys, like the actual guys that might experience this priapism. So if you do, biggest sympathy for you. And I know I'm laughing, but really, I am serious. I feel sorry that you have to deal with that. So yeah. Anyways, subscribe and I'll have more videos. I'll probably upload them really soon since I really have to because I just I really hate just not doing this and keeping up with it. So I'm just gonna do it and I'm gonna upload it whenever I can. And yeah, so subscribe, comment what you thought about this dictionary word. Again, it's priapism. Priapism. And it means an abnormal, painful, persistent erection. So yeah, comment. Bye.